In this video, I'll show you how to add automatic subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro quickly and easily. First, add your voiceover or video audio to Premiere Pro so the software can generate subtitles automatically. Now, go to the Window menu and select Text. After that, click on the Transcript tab. Now, click on the Create Transcription button. A dialog box will open where you can select your preferred language. Check the option Recognize when different speakers are talking. Then click on Transcribe. Premiere Pro will now start creating automatic transcriptions for your video. As you can see here, Premiere Pro automatically detects different speakers and shows them as Speaker 1 and Speaker 2. This helps organize conversations and makes subtitle editing much easier, especially in interviews, podcasts, or multi-speaker videos. You can also click on any speaker section to review and manage the transcript more efficiently. If you want to edit or correct any text, simply double-click on the transcript text and update it manually. Now, click on the Create Captions button at the top. Another dialog box will appear. Select your desired caption settings according to your preference. Then click on Create. Premiere Pro will now automatically generate captions for your video. Just play the video, and your subtitles will now appear directly on the screen. If you want to increase the font size, simply click on the yellow subtitle layer in the timeline. A settings panel will open on the side. Go to the Edit tab, select all subtitle layers, and adjust the font size however you like. And that's it. Your automatic subtitles are ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to PX Mentor for more Adobe Premiere Pro, UI/UX, AI, and design tutorials.